Hello there, welcome everyone. Welcome back to our channel again. And today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to disable your read receipts on WhatsApp. So as we all know, if we head over to our WhatsApp, we can see who have read our messages, when our messages has been seen, or when they have reached or delivered. So we are gonna just turn off the read receipts now. So you have to head over to WhatsApp for that. Once in there, tap on the three dots on the top, then go to settings. And in here, you'll find several options. From here, go to privacy. And from there, just go to the read receipts option. So as you can see, it was turned on and I just turned it off. So it says if you turn off, you won't receive or send in read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So yeah, this is how easily you can turn off or disable your read receipts on WhatsApp. Now you can't see their read receipts and they can't see yours. Hope this video helps. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and let us know if this works for you. Hope to see you in the next video.